Bullish ramp cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 28 cents and 61 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept ramp could reach 28 cents by 2025. Bearish ramp market cost expectation for 2022 is 5 cents. Ramp presentation. Since its send-off in 2020, Ramp has figured out how to stand out as a multi-chain loaning stage that empowers clients to boost their crypto returns. Notwithstanding, Ramp's previous exhibition has been very conflicting, with a few ups and downs. Notwithstanding that, Ramp is as yet viewed as a coin of revenue in the digital money market, with promising future outcomes. Assuming you're interested about the cost of Ramp, you're perfectly positioned. In this video, we've summed up Ramp cost expectations, from Ramp cost today to average cost, current cost, past execution, verifiable information, lease cost, normal exchanging cost, and most extreme cost, as well as thinking about whether Ramp coin is supposed to be a wise speculation for what's to come. For our intensive Ramp cost estimate, continue to peruse. What is Ramp? Ramp DeFi is a decentralized multi-faceted driving stage intended to support DeFi reception. It was established by Lo Zhengrong and Lawrence Lim to expand capital proficiency on stacked computerized resources. Ramp permits non-Ethereum clients to stake coins on Ethereum stages, and Ethereum clients can likewise utilize Ramp's foundation to build their yields. Ramp engages clients to acquire yields on collateralized resources, permitting them to move coins consistently across numerous blockchain networks. The Ramp token is given as a component of the Ethereum network as an ERC20 token, opening extra liquidity and serves numerous different capabilities on the protocol as utilized. This framework augments capital proficiency as well as permits clients to open liquidity from marked resources and stack numerous yield streams immediately. Clients who are now a piece of the Ethereum blockchain can mint USD at zero expenses by storing their ERC20 tokens into Ramp's liquidity pool. This framework permits both RUSD and USD holders to get, loan, or trade their tokens openly and make liquidity for clients. Through symbolic consumes, Ramp holders can get esteem back on the coins they hold. Ramp's extraordinary selling point is the way it furnishes clients with the most minimal acquiring charges and probably the most elevated store yields on guarantee resources. Ramp specialized investigation. Ramp's creation was fundamentally provoked by the soaring development of the marking economy. And as this development raises, the cost of Ramp coin is likewise prone to increment. Like other digital currencies, there is a restricted most extreme stock of Ramp tokens, meaning something like 1 billion tokens will at any point be made. The coin can never again be printed, and any Ramp consumed is for all time eliminated from dissemination. This makes Ramp DeFi invulnerable to expansion, a solid sign that Ramp's worth will probably keep on rising. A larger part of crypto lovers are likewise putting down their wagers entrance's future cost development, referring to high utility, sensible tokenomics, and significant use cases as proof that Ramp is a wise venture. As the DeFi crypto industry extends considerably further, specialists have assessed that the cost of Ramp will probably ascend from here on out, and any speculation could bring great returns. Ramp principal examination. A greater part of DeFi stages are Ethereum-based, leaving out non-Ethereum clients. Ramp DeFi tends to this basic market whole. The Ramp stage is great for battling this issue and engaging non-Ethereum clients to use the advantages of DeFi. Along these lines, Ramp harbors an exceptional market potential with magnificent possibilities arriving at new highs later on. Ramp permits clients to acquire yields by cultivating or marking on their capital, collateralizing their capital, getting RUSD stablecoin, and afterward utilizing that coin to make different speculations all simultaneously. This effective framework permits clients to appreciate significant yields on speculation on their resources and all the while extricate liquidity. Ramp DeFi offers a plenty of elements, including yield cultivating potential open doors, a cross-chain liquidity span, and marking rewards. Basically, Ramp outfits clients with a particular situation to procure huge benefit and open liquidity, all while tending to a serious digital currency market hole. Ramp current cost. Ramp is at present worth 6 cents USD. Ramp has moved 3.83% as of now with an exchanging volume of $8,495. Ramp is at present positioned 420 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $30,310,855 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Ramp to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Ramp value expectation 2023. In 2023, Ramp cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Ramp will before long outperform 15 cents. Notwithstanding, We ought to hold on to check whether the ramp's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ramp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 12 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 13 cents. Ramp value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 21 cents and ramp might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Ramp is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 20 cents and a low of 18 cents in 2024. Ramp value forecast 2025. On the off chance that ramp effectively helps market feeling among digital currency lovers, the ramp coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ramp will be green in 2025. The ramp is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 28 cents, with a base cost of 25 cents and a typical cost of 26 cents. Ramp value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ramp cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 32 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 31 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ramp has a greatest value worth of 34 cents. Ramp value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 38 cents. In the event that ramp figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 40 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help ramp needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 37 cents. Ramp value expectation 2028. While ramp is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at 43 cents and a yearly cost close above 46 cents in 2028. Ramp value expectation 2029. By 2029, ramp will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 50 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 53 cents, averaging out at 51 cents. Ramp value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest ramp cost in 2030 is projected to be 61 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 58 cents. Our ramp value expectations are formed on specialized investigation, as it were. We utilize a few specialized markers, including MACD, Fibonacci retracement, RSI, moving midpoints, and trend lines. Our figures utilize constant ramp digital money market information, permitting us to refresh our site with dynamic ramp cost expectations. And interoperability is the future of blockchain and DeFi, and is a center mission that Ramp DeFi holds on. This focuses to the special and maybe even progressive potential ramp